I am Muhammad Khalid Zubair Shad. I made this video for someone who desire improve guitar playing skills quickly. Here is a free acoustic guitar lesson to help you improve your guitar playing skills quickly. This guitar learning technique will teach you how to fingerpick folk style, but in a Latin rhythm in the key of A. This Latin rhythm has 8 quick beats to the measure, and is accented on the 1st, the 4th, and the 7th beats. This guitar lesson will focus on using your right hand, and your thumb will play the accented beats. Your fingers will follow. Finger number 1, the index finger, is to pluck the 3rd string on beats 2, 5, and 8, and fingers 2 and 3 will pluck the 2nd and 1st strings together on beats 3 and 6. In the following acoustic guitar lesson, you will chord an A for the first sample. To keep it simple, let's take the beats one at a time. Acoustic guitar lesson 7 steps to chord an A. 1. First, the thumb plucks the open A string for a bass note. 2. Next, finger 1 plucks the 3rd string, which is sounding an A. 3. Then fingers 2 and 3 pluck strings 2 and 1 together. These two notes will be A C sharp and the open top E string. 4. Now the thumb immediately plucks string 4, which is an E and works as an alternate bass string. That's beat 4. 5. Now beat 5 is just like beat 2, with finger 1 plucking string 3. 6. Beat 6 is just like beat 3, with fingers 2 and 3 plucking the top 2 strings. 7. On beat 7, use the thumb to pluck the 3rd string, then finish up with fingers 2 and 3 plucking the top 2 strings again. When you've practiced the acoustic guitar lesson above a few times, it will become second nature to you to pluck this Latin rhythm. Your next part of this acoustic guitar lesson is to try the same finger picking pattern using an E chord. Since the open 6th string is your bass note, you'll pluck it on beat 1. Follow through with the rest of the measure in the same pattern, except your thumb plucks the 5th string on beat 4 and the 4th string on beat 7. When you've mastered the E chord, the acoustic guitar lesson moves on to the D chord. With D, you can just use the 4th string for your thumb pluck bass note each time. Acoustic guitar lesson tip. Here's a fast acoustic guitar lesson secret for making the above finger picking style of guitar playing a little fancier. Chord an A. Here's how. When you pluck the 4th beat of the measure, lift your chording finger, it's the ring finger on your left hand. Lift it and then press it while plucking. You'll get a little slur at the start of the note. This sounds great when you build speed up. Try the same little trick when playing the key of E, too. It will be finger 2 that you will be lifting. Finally, in this free acoustic guitar lesson for you, put everything together in a chord sequence. Play A for 2 measures, then D for 2 measures. Play E for 2 measures, then back to D for 2 measures, then A to finish up.